Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning programs. Dear students, today's discussed about multiplications and division of fractions with word problems for class 4 exercise 50 remaining part of 20 videos. Dear students, let us start word problems with related topics. Your first questions. First of all, read the questions and understand what say and how to solve the questions. The total length of three carpets. How many lengths? How many carpets? Three carpets. And total equal. The total length of three carpets of equal length is 3 upon 1 by 6 meters. What is the length of each carpet? Dear students, the total length of three carpets of equal length is 3 upon 1 by 6 meters. What is the length of each carpet? First of all, you write down number of carpets. Number of carpets is equal to 3. And total length of carpet? Carpet 3 upon 1 by 6 meters, that means 6 3 are 18 or 1 19, 19 by 6 meters. Now, dear students, what is the length of each carpets? So, length of each carpet is equal to 19 by 6 meter divided by 3. Dear students, why divide? Similarly, simple questions. We buy 3 toffees. We buy 3 toffees in 9 rupees. 3 toffees by 9 rupees. What is the price of one toffee? What is the price of one toffee? If you want to find out the price of one toffee, price of one objects, you divide them. 9 divided by 3, that means 3 rupees. Cost of 3 rupees each toffee. Here, similarly, the total length of 3 carpets, number of carpets 3, total length 3 upon 1 by 6 meters, that means 19 by 6 meter. Length of each carpets, here 19 by 6 meters divided by 3. Now 19 by 6 meters multiply 1 by 3, that means 19 by 18, that means 1 upon 1 by 18 meters length of each carpets. So I hope that you understand such type problems, dear students. Now second questions, I read about 3 upon 3 by 5 kg of biscuits. 3 upon 3 by 5 kg of biscuits are to be packed in packets. That means weight of biscuits and each packets will be hold 2 by 5 kg of biscuits. How many packets will be required? How many packets will be required? Now let us start second questions. Dear students, first of all, total weight of biscuits, total weight of biscuits is equal to 3 upon 3 by 5 kg. That means 5 3 are 15, 15 3 18, 18 by 5 kg. Each packet, weight of each packet, weight of each packet is equal to 2 by 5 kg. Now, dear students, you find out number of packets. Number of packets is equal to total weight of biscuits weight of biscuits divided by weight of each packet. Weight of each packet. Now, dear students, weight of biscuits 18 by 5 kg and divide weight of each packet 2 by 5 kg. Now, similarly, 18 by 5 kg multiply 5 by 2 kg. Now, kg cancels because kg is above and kg is below. So, dear students, 5 cancel, 2 9 ja 18. That means 9 packets. How many packets? How many packets will be packed in biscuits? 9 packets. Number of packets 9. Dear students, again total weight of biscuits 3 upon 3 by 5 kg. That means 18 by 5 kg. Weight of each packets 2 by 5 kg. Number of packets, when you divide total biscuits divided by weight of each packets is equal to number of packets. You find out in this way. Now, third questions, dear students, I read. The product of two numbers is 2 upon 22 by 35. If one of them is 11 by 7, find the other number. In simplifications, you know that when sum of two numbers given the one numbers, find the other number, you subtract them. Similarly, the product of two numbers is given data. One number is 11 by 7, find the other numbers. When you divide, then you find the other number. So, dear students, here at first you write down product of two numbers. Product of two numbers is equal to, product of two numbers is equal to 22 by 35. And now one number is equal to 11 by 7. Other number is equal to, product of two numbers divided by one number. So here write down one other number is equal to one second number is equal to (22 by 35) divide 11 by 7. In this way, you write down here 22 by 35 divide 11 by 7. Now, dear students, 22 by 35 multiply 7 by 11. 11 2 ja 22. 7 5 ja 35. Now, 2 by 5 is the other number. You remember in LCM and HCF such types formula. Product of two numbers. In data, first number is given, find the other number. Other number is equal to product of two numbers divided by one number. That's okay. In this way, you find out. Now, last questions of these topics, dear students. By what number should 2 upon 1 by 2 be multiplied to get 1 upon 1 by 2? Here, similarly, when you divide them, then you find out multiplied number. So, here, I erase them. I hope that you understand such type problems, dear students. Now, last questions of the related topics. Required, multiplied, number B is equal to 1 upon 1 by 2 divide 2 upon 1 by 2. That means 3 by 2 divide 5 by 2. Here 3 by 2 multiply 2 by 5. That means 3 by 5. When you multiplies hence required multiplied number is equal to 3 by 5. Dear students, you know that when sum of two numbers, one number is given, other number is find out, you subtract them. By what number should 2 upon 1 by 2 be multiplied to get 1 upon 1 by 2? So required multiplied number is equal to 1 upon 1 by 2 divided by 2 upon 1 by 2. That means 3 by 5. You check them. Your answer is right or wrong. You check out. 2 upon 1 by 2 multiply 3 by 5. That means 5 by 2 multiply 3 by 5. Hence 3 by 2. That means 1 upon 1 by 2. This is right answers. In this way you check out your answer is right or wrong. So dear students, I hope that you understand such type problem. So please make and finish the exercise 50 and in your fractions chapters. Dear students, if you any problem, ask them. Thank you students.